Welcome to iMovie tutorial video number 11. In this video we're going to talk about color correction. A lot of times, depending on the settings of your camera, your shots, your video might not come out looking exactly the way you want it to. So what I'm going to do in my timeline, I'm going to get rid of these transitions. I'm going to stretch this video all the way out. I'm going to copy it by clicking Command C, and then I'm going to paste it, Command V. So I have two videos that are the same right next to each other. Okay, so looking at this second video, I would like to enhance the color, maybe make it look a little more vibrant. So to do that, I'm going to select it, and I'm going to come up here to this little color correction tool above my viewer. And I open that up and I get a series of sliders. You can hover over each little button to see what it does. Okay, and again, like sound and transitions and anything with your video, just make some adjustments and see what kinds of changes it makes and see what you like. So for this video right here, I'm going to turn up the saturation a little bit. I'm going to make it a little bit brighter. And I'm going to change the contrast. And that's looking pretty blue, so I'm going to add a little bit of yellow to it. And again, even if you have no idea what you're doing, like turn the slider all the way one way, all the way the other way, and then find a level that you like. Okay, all these sliders do something just a little bit differently. So now, from this video, okay, here's the before, and here's the after. Before, after. All right, again, just a little more vibrant, a little bit more color. Like you can see, the bricks are a little more red in the building compared to this one. Looks a little flat. Not much contrast. So again, that all depends on what kind of look you're going for. If you're looking for an easy way to do it, you could click on the video that you want to edit or that you want to fix, and there's this little magic wand up here, and automatically improve the video and audio quality of the selected clip. If you just click on that, all right, iMovie will automatically make some changes to the look of your video and the sound of your video. It does that automatically. So that's just a quick overview of color correction, or adding or enhancing color to your video if it's necessary. Now there are a lot more things that can be done with iMovie. These 11 videos have covered the basics. We will definitely cover more in class as things pop up, as we encounter them, as there are questions about how to do something or if you can do something. But when we get into Final Cut Pro, you'll see that there's a lot more control that you can have with your video editing. So let me know if there's questions. Good luck, and let's get to work.